Let's continue with our session 5 presentation on strings. Here we're going to discuss the character class. So we are used to using characters as far as the primitive data types, like the primitive data types of int or bool. There are primitive characters. However, Java also gives us a character class because in development we may come across times where we want to call methods on our individual characters. So we can see here that we are declaring a primitive character A here, and we see here that we are able to also create different types of characters and character arrays. But it is useful to also have a character class that offers a number of useful methods for manipulating characters, and you can create a character object with a character constructor. An interesting thing about the Java language is it will do some conversions for you. So the Java compiler can create a character object for you under some circumstances. For example, if you pass a primitive character into a method that expects an object, so not a primitive but an object, the compiler will automatically convert the character to a character per primitive char or char to the object character for you. And this feature is called auto boxing or unboxing if the conversion goes the other way. So and we can see here an example here where we're declaring an object here, character CHA. So this is CH is actually an object, but here the primitive X is boxed for the method, so it returns an unboxed 2 character C. So what's happening here is the opposite is happening. We are passing in here, if we pass in an object CH here, it would convert it to a primitive. And some methods for the character class. So when we declare our character, like we saw before, we can call isLetter, and that determines whether the specified character is an alphabetical letter. IsDigit will determine if the character has a value that is a digit. IsWhitespace will determine if the value is a white space or a space. IsUppercase will determine if the specified character is uppercase, and of course IsLowercase will determine if the character is lowercase. Please stay tuned for the next video of session 5, the string tokenizer class.